Good morning, YouTube fam. We're back for another video. As you already know, I'm in the C63. I'm gonna just go, and just cruise and drive around. I love this beast. I love to drive it. This thing is not serious. It almost hit me. I don't know what they're doing. I think somebody's moving. But yeah. So, I want to hear the car so bad. There's no time to look. So, burnouts, I can't show you no burnout. I can't do no burnout right now because I got no tires. Tires that I have on ball. I'm in the back. Drive this thing, I always get this reaction, man. I always get like this. It's so fun to drive. Noisy at times, but I don't know if you guys heard the pop. Let's see if I can make it pop. I'm about to run on. This young lady pass. I have something to do here, but let me handle this real quick and I'll be right back. Yeah. So as I was saying, we're gonna be here vlogging. You already know. I kind of like the view over there, like the water. That'll actually be a nice picture, to be honest. There's a person over there. I think they were just chilling. As soon as I got here, they're like, fuck, somebody's coming. I don't know if they fucking know, whatever. But not my business. Not my business. I might give them space to turn, I guess. Breaking stuff, always. So, oh, by the way, I broke the side skirt. I broke it. Extremely dirty. And the tires in the back, I'm gonna show you how it looks like right now. God. I don't know if you can see it from here. I had a spot like where it was completely done, like the wires The wires are out. And by the way, go follow FSO on Instagram. So we here. We got the C63 out. So here we are. 3 months now with this thing, and obviously it did treat me good, but I had some stuff to fix, obviously, because the previous people or owner didn't really take good care of this car. So I had to fix certain things, and obviously I messed up some stuff too, and some stuff broke, and some stuff just stopped working, and yeah. And actually I have an issue with it. Hold on, I want to just show you. So the headlights thingy, the LED light just don't work. I don't know why. It just don't work. Hold on, I'll show you. Like this. It just stopped working. I don't know why. It just stopped working. And I have the sensor, the parking sensor, the Parktronic call it, that stopped working. Man, I'm super mad, but you know what? This thing is still a beast. I love it the way it is. You know, I'm gonna fix all this stuff real soon. I just have to order them and just, you know, fix them. So that's about it. That's about it. I'm pretty sure you guys want to hear it. I'm pretty sure you guys want to hear the car. So I'm gonna make that happen. Beast, I know. What a beast. This thing sounds just so good. This sounds so good. But yeah, you know, that's about it. But I'm gonna definitely make, you know, some videos for you guys and show you the things that I have to fix on this thing. And yeah, hopefully I can, you know, solve some problems. I know there isn't so many or that many contents about those issues, so I want to definitely, you know, like try to figure out how to do it and make videos about them. And y'all should tell me who I can invite in the channel and with who I can, you know, like kind of vlog together and make some good contents. You know, that would be appreciated, because right now that's what I need. You know, I wanna get a chance to work with other people, and you know, kind of like, you know, obviously I don't know everything. You know, I don't know everything. I want to know more about this car. I want to know more about other cars, and I want to know more about. You see what I mean? A lot. I just want to know. I just want to know everything. I've been wanting to know everything. You know, so you know, you guys let me know. You guys let me know, and yeah, bro, that's about it. Now you guys tell me, what should I do? I know. Wait, hold up. I know I need to do the diffuser. I need to do the diffuser, spoiler, side skirt, but I'm gonna have to fix my side skirt first, and then get a new side skirt and front lip. But I was thinking about white bodying the car. I was talking to two of my boys. One is from London and the other one lives in Seattle. He used to have a C63. His name is, the name is Vader. Y'all probably know him. And he was telling me about the, you know, everything he did on his car, and you know how I could get them. So I want to like kind of, obviously, you see what I mean? I'm not rich like that, so I'm gonna have to, you know, kind of like see which way is better, or you know what, like cheaper. You see what I mean? I definitely do, you know, something that will look good, but for, you know, obviously not too much, you know, and still have quality parts, quality stuff, and a quality job, most importantly. So, you know, that's about it. But as of right now, that's how it looks like. You know, that's how it looks like. But the next year should be completely different. Completely different. That's where we at right now. That's where we at right now. Yeah. And thank you guys for watching this video today. I really appreciate you guys, and make sure you subscribe, comment, and like the video. That will really help me. Oh my god, really help me a lot. And hope I'll see you next time. Peace.